This product is a 3-volt boost smoke alarm that uses an HT32L62141 MCU as its main controller. As fires are often accompanied by a large amount of smoke, this product uses an optical maze and an IR transmitter and receiver pair to detect fires in real time. The MCU's internal dual-channel smoke detector can detect changes in optical signals, including different types of smoke particles such as white and black smoke. When the ambient smoke concentration exceeds the preset alarm threshold, the detector generates voice prompt, sound and light signals to remind people to take immediate countermeasures. In addition, this product has maze fault detection and low voltage detection functions, and also has a wireless interface to facilitate the wireless applications. The main controller is based on a Holtec ARM Crotex M0 Plus 32-bit MCU, the HT32L62141, to meet the requirements of high-end product applications. This MCU contains a smoke detector, including a smoke detector AFE and 2 programmable constant current channels. Its integrated regulator source VBG can be used for low battery voltage detection. In addition, the MCU contains a buzzer driver with boost function, which supports both self-driven and external-driven buzzers, and also provides an MCU fault alarm function. As a result, the total number of external components is reduced, significantly lowering the cost. The MCU also provides rich peripherals such as divider, AD converter, UART interface, general-purpose timer and cyclic redundancy check, to meet the requirements of various scenarios. The total standby current is less than 10 microamperes, and 6 power-saving modes are provided, making the product suitable for battery-powered smoke alarms. This solution can be used in fire alarm systems for residential buildings, hotels, warehouses, and other civil and industrial locations. The above has provided an introduction into the Holtec's 3-volt boost smoke alarm.